Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can auto reply on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, if you want to get automated response, firstly you need to download an app. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it. So first of all, just go to Play Store or App Store and then search for Meta Business Suite. Then you're going to find it right here. So this is how the application looks like. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be here in the application page. As you can see, guys, it has 4 stars reviews. So go ahead and click on install. And then just wait for it to download. So right now, basically, guys, once you download the app, go ahead and click on open. And then just wait for the application to load. Once the application has finished loading, go ahead and enter your Facebook credentials. And then you go ahead and click on login. And then just wait for it to load. After that, you're going to be right here. So right now, you can either create a Facebook page or log in into another account. You can click on create Facebook account or Facebook page and then just follow the steps. Click on get started and then go ahead and choose a name for your page. Then once you do that, click on next and then follow the steps until you create a page. So basically guys, once you create your Facebook page, you're going to be able to set automated messages on Messenger. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.